Guys, if you take a look at this Bitranx exchange, you're going to notice that Bitcoin is selling for about $29,072. And then when we come to Binance, you're going to notice that Bitcoin is selling for about $26,800. They're about $2,000 different, or about 3,000 different. And when we come to Litecoin here, you're going to notice that Litecoin is selling for about $65 here, while Litecoin is selling for about $70 on this very exchange platform. This means there's an arbitrage opportunity that needs to be utilized on this platform. So what we are going to be doing is we are going to be buying from Binance since it is cheaper on Binance, and then we'll come to Bitranx exchange to sell it and then make profit for ourselves. I've actually made a video about this recently, and if you notice, I made some cash in my previous video, and I'm going to repeat that. This is the second video I'm going to be making on this particular exchange platform. So what I want to do here is now I'm going to withdraw my coin. For those of you that don't know how to buy crypto from Binance, if you want me to make a video on that, just let me know in the comment section, and I will also help you make a video on that in my next video. So I'm going to withdraw this here, then come to this platform and sell it for profit. I'm going to log into my dashboard. So this is my dashboard, and as you can see here, I've actually made some transaction here. So I want to carry out another transaction to also make profit and see how it's going to go. So I'm going to come here and then click on deposit. So this will load and take also the automatic payment gateway where we'll now recharge our cryptocurrency. So I'm going to fund $100 here and then select my cryptocurrency. So in my case, I'm going to recharge the Litecoin here and then proceed to make the payment. All right, so it's going to take us to the payment gateway where we'll now make our purchase. So make sure you pay close attention to this, because I actually had some challenges in my first transaction here. So what you want to do is that you're going to come here and copy this exact number here. So make sure you copy this exact number, because if you didn't copy the exact number, if you pay in the amount you want to pay, it might not reflect. So make sure you copy the exact number here, because that was this challenge I faced. I didn't copy this, I just added the fiat rate. Copy the exact rate here and then come back to Binance. When you head over to Binance, click on withdraw. Now what I want to do here is now click on the coin and select the particular coin I want to send to. So I'm going to come here and select Litecoin and then paste that address here where I want to send from. So I'm sending from my funding wallet. So I'm just going to paste the exact number here and then withdraw. So it's going to pop up this and then click on continue. Now I'm just going to close this, click on completed. I'm done with the payment. I'm going to allow this to confirm in the blockchain. After a successful confirmation, it will reflect on your dashboard. Don't worry, this takes just less than 30 minutes and you'll get your funds right on your dashboard. Alright guys, so once the payment has been confirmed on the blockchain, you're going to see it on your dashboard like this with your profit. Considering the current rate, I'm having $108 here already. So I'm going to swap this to USDT on this exchange and then withdraw to my Binance back, and I'm going to do this over and over again to make more profit. So I'm going to come here and then click on exchange. And when I click on exchange, I'm going to select the coin I want to swap. So I'm going to swap LTC, and then I'm going to come here and select exchange to USDT. So I'm going to exchange back to USDT. I'm going to come here and copy the amount of Litecoin I'm going to swap, and then come here and paste it here, $108, and then click on exchange coin. Once you successfully exchange your coin, you're going to get this successful message here telling you that your coin has been swapped successfully. So what you want to do now is to come to withdrawals here. So I just want to go to Binance, copy my USDT address, and then come here and then paste it here, and then paste it here, and then add the amount I want to withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw 108, and then click on withdraw. All right, so after a successful withdrawal, I'm going to receive an email telling me that my withdrawal was successful. Come here, click on. So when I come to my transaction right here, you're going to see that it is still processing. So depending on how fast it is processed on the blockchain, this doesn't take up to 30 minutes and you receive it immediately on your wallet. Immediately after withdrawal, it took just some while to receive the payment, and as you can see here, I just received 107.5 USDT. So it means this actually worked. After their fee, I think they charge 0.5 fee. I received 107, and as you can see on my dashboard, I have the full payment here. So I can just go ahead to do this over and over again and make some profit for myself. For now, this is actually paying. So guys, this is all about this exchange platform. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload related content like this, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching guys, and then see you next time.